I don't want to take up too much time from Seder. There's 2 minutes left till when Seder starts. And I was told it's from 7 to 8. It was in the Sparsam Lachreina, a letter of the Rebbe, which is printed in L'Kutei Sichos. And we now know that it was written in Yiddish, in Lashon Kodesh, and in English. And a copy of English was in the Sparsam Yom Machreinim, a letter that was written on Hey Teves Tafshin Lamed Vav, which is the Kvias of Mem Zaynas Yom HaShlishi. The Rebbe writes Yom HaShlishi Hey Teves. Benegay to the Matzav in Eretz Yisrael, b'kesher with Asara b'Teves. So I'm not going to read the whole letter. People who want to look it up. It's printed in L'Kutei Sichos Chelik Tes Vav, page 555. Followed by right after the letter, there's Hoysafel Michtav from a Sikha that the Rebbe spoke on Shabbos. The Rebbe spoke about the Matzav in Eretz Yisrael, that we have to be Moisef and Torah, Tefillah, Tzedakah. And the Rebbe's Matzia, that in addition to what we do on every Tainus, the way it's explained in Halacha and Musar and Chassidus, and this, in a concrete way, and this particular Tainus, right after davening Shachris and Mincha, we should be Moisef and Shiurei Torah, including Halacha Psuka. B'smichas to davening, we should say a few kapitlach Tilim, and before davening and after davening, we should give tzedakah, in addition to the regular tzedakah to give to Moised and Eretz Yisrael. And if you could do that a few times a day, Asara b'Teves. If you could do it a few times a day, it is a meshubach. And the Sikha later, the Rebbe followed that people asked even more specific suggestions. And he didn't want to give specific what you should learn and what he wanted to give bechlalas. But still, he's going to bring down befratius, and in Torah the Rebbe says, dafka to learn hilchas tanius. And the ikir is to learn, that it should be the tinius, should be neshapach l'simcha, so we should learn hilchas tanius. And the Rambam, the end of hilchas tanius, where it talks about how the tzomis will become yimei simcha. And Tehillim, we should do kapitel chav beis samach tes. And in tzedakah to a moised of Torah, the Rebbe says you should give to a moised of Torah in Chutz Laretz and in Eretz Yisrael. Should have both. There's a mile in both. And that's the Nakudah. You can look it up inside. Like I said, it's Chelik Tes Vav, page 555, and then a Sikha afterwards. There's a bit of a hergish, I should just say, it's by every person this is this way. Sometimes something gets a hisyashnus. The Chazal warn us and tell us about Torah, Kol Yom Menech Chadashim, even though the Eibush is giving us the Torah, Nois na Torah Lashon Hove, because you learned Torah already yesterday, and all the Mamadim of Shabbos Chazoyin talk about is how do you pearl by yourself, it should be Chadashim. So if Simchas Torah, we're talking about the Matzav in Eretz Yisrael, so you don't have that same feeling. It could be, unfortunately, the Eibush made that every day there's Rabim Chalolim Hipila, there's over hundreds of soldiers that were killed over the last while. And certainly, how could it be a hergish of Isyashans when we see as it Pasha Gisach Yiddish Blut Kipshutei Mamish? Not that there was Yiddish Blut on Simchas Torah. If that wasn't enough, it's still continuing Yiddish Blut, and a person can't just sit by idly. So sometimes to say the regular Tilm that you say every day after davening, Chav Beis Samach Tes with the Gans Arichas, but if you're walking down the street and you had to say this 1 second, Zog ein Kapitel Chalapachas. From when you walk to 770 from the corner of Brooklyn Avenue till you get to 70 Kamazon and Gans Kapitel Chaf. Ma kolora. Hast du getan etwas für Israel? Zugegeben noch a penny. The Rebbe talks about the Chanukah Nubeis. Maybe the only thing that's missing for Bias HaMashiach, Chanukah Nubeis, is Prutas Achadus L'Zdaka. How much is Prutas Achadus? Klein Geld. But that could be the thing that's the Makabah Pater. So any small thing that we could do for Eretz Yisrael, it's important to be mechazik ourselves, mechazik other, because Saf Kal Saf, the Nitzachon HaMelchama, is loy b'chayil, v'loy b'choyach. It's not, Tzahal is not the one that's making this Melchama win. Tzahal is the one that brought us into the problem to begin with, it seems like. Well, certainly the Mossad v'kayitza b'zeh. What's going to make this Melchama win is us Yidden. If we're Moisef and Torah mitzvahs, and befrat, the Tzav HaShah of learning in Yonu Gul Mashiach, which means you live with the Avid of Mashiach. If you live with the Avid of Mashiach, the Mele Altas of Hagula D'Geifen, the Mele, this is all being hapach together with Asara b'Teves into a Inn of Simchas. The Leibish to help him is on Shama Zechel Sar Kinusim, not in Tzad Achiv, not in the Tzad Fun, we still, this fasting can still be in this hapach, l'sasl and Simcha. The Rebbe talks about the Maila of Leila Asara b'Teves, that you have the Aschal of the Yisratzim, but you don't have the Tainus. So you already have the Gula Mashiach, the Yom Tov of Asara b'Teves you already have. The fasting we don't have, that doesn't start Alis HaShachar, it's all some Bepel Mamish.